Are you dreaming of the perfect vacation but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll guide you through the beginner's guide to mastering travel planning so you can create the trip of a lifetime. Step 1. Define your travel goals. Ask yourself, what do you want to achieve? Is it relaxation, adventure, or cultural exploration? Clarifying your goals will help you choose the perfect destination. Step 2. Research your destination. Dive into guidebooks, travel websites, and blogs to gather information about the best places to visit, local customs, and must-try experiences. Take note of the seasons and weather patterns to plan accordingly. Step 3. Set a budget. Determine how much you're willing to spend on flights, accommodations, activities, and meals. Keep in mind that unexpected expenses may arise, so it's crucial to leave some room for flexibility. Step 4. Create a travel itinerary. Map out your days, including the places you'll visit, attractions you'll see, and the experiences you want to have. Prioritize your must-do activities while leaving room for relaxation and spontaneity. Step 5. Book your flights and accommodations. Look for the best deals and consider booking in advance to secure your preferred options. Don't forget to check the cancellation policies and read reviews before making your final decisions. Step 6. Plan your transportation. Research the local transportation options such as trains, buses, or rental cars to move around your destination. Familiarize yourself with the local routes and schedules for a smoother travel experience. Step 7. Pack smart. Make a thorough packing list considering the weather, activities, and cultural customs of your destination. Don't forget essentials like passports, chargers, and medications. And remember, less is more when it comes to packing. Step 8. Prepare for the unexpected. Purchase travel insurance to protect yourself against cancellations, medical emergencies, and lost belongings. Keep digital copies of important documents and have emergency contacts handy. Step 9. Immerse yourself in the local culture. Learn a few key phrases, try local cuisine, and embrace the customs and traditions. Engaging with locals will enhance your experience and create unforgettable memories. Step 10. Enjoy every moment. Remember, the perfect trip isn't just about ticking off sites, it's about savoring the journey. Embrace the unexpected, make new friends, and create lifelong memories. Thanks for watching our beginner's guide to mastering travel planning. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, destination guides, and adventure inspiration. Happy travels!